We're making a gingerbread house. Well, it's a Hershey house. A Hershey house. Build your own chocolate cookie house. We're probably not going to eat it, but let me move you over so we can be closer. Ugh. So we're finally making this house. You're older now. There's some candies, some chocolates. This is what it looks like on the box. We're going to try to get it to look exactly like this. Ready? You ready? Say ready. Ready. Says she's ready. I'm ready. Okay. Wow, I haven't done this in a long time, and I thought it was going to be easier than I thought. Zola, we kind of have some type of assembly here. Kind of. You see the lines? It's like this. We're going to put frosting in the lines. Give me your hands. Hold this. We got this far, and this house thing is a little difficult, okay?
You thought you was an architect.
I did. I thought I was about to do this. Boom, blam. Thank you, ma'am. Zola, they told you no more sweets. Don't get me in trouble. Don't get me in trouble, okay? Almost done. Here I am thinking this is going to be a walk in the park. This wasn't a walk in the park. Well, we used all the things up there, so now we have... Whoa, whoa, crash, crash. Oh. House down, house down.
Whole house fell?
No.
Wow, you made a house with Tati? Yes? Look at it, it's so good.
This is first.
Good job.
All right, this is as good as it's gonna get. You like it? You like it? Yes? No? Yeah? No? Zola.
Whoa, whoa,
Whoa, house down.
Go up with the house.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good.
That's good.
It keeps falling.
You squeeze?
It's the bag is not that full.
You gotta put more. You gotta put it in the parts that's gonna hold the house together.
These cookies are a little harder than gingerbread cookies like when I was young, okay? We used to use gingerbread I mean graham cracker cookies. Vai lá pra ele, Tom. Wow. Well, there's the house. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, 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 oh. The house, even though it's falling apart. House. 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 Oh, oh, it's falling apart. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. And I'm headed to your city. What are you looking? Attempting to build a house with my niece. And yeah, these real gingerbread houses is hard. They're not like they used to be. But she won't stop singing Mama Shark.
Nope.
But yeah, Zola, do you like? This is the look.